Good evening, everyone. I would like to request the delegates, our Honorable Chairman, Professor Dr. Satya Prakash Panda, our Honorable Secretary, Professor Dr. Chandradhwaj Panda, our Honorable Vice Chairman, Mr. Birenchi Narayan Panda, our respected Principal, Professor Dr. M.K. Raul, our beloved Dean Administration, Commander Dr. Pradeep Kumar Rautre, and Vice President of our Cultural Society, Dr. Kedar Mohapatra.
शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्याम धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशया दीपा ज्योति नमोस्तुते. This salutation to the light of lamp brings auspiciousness, health and prosperity and destroys the inimical feelings.
Now I would like to invite the dignitaries to light the lamp.
गण नायक चरण प्रथम गण नायक चरण अमित विघ्नारु मति भ्रम हरण अमित विघ्नारु मति भ्रम हरण प्रथम नमन गण नायक चरण प्रथम नमन गण नायक चरण संगीत शास्त्र पढ़न चाहत हूँ संगीत शास्त्र पढ़न चाहत हूँ बुद्धि वाला देहु में तुम्हारे ही शरण बुद्धि वाला देहु में तुम्हारे ही शरण प्रथम नमन गण नायक चरण प्रथम नमन गण नायक चरण प्रथम नमन गण नायक चरण.
Thank you so much, sir. The evening has begun in the spiritual note. So now we have an inspiring welcome song from chorus group of Geeta College, whose lyrics and composition is given by our beloved Shakti sir.
आमे जीवन मरुरे चालिबा शिखिछु
आमे प्रेमर फल्गुरे जीवा शिखिछु
आमे जीवन मरुरे चालिबा शिखिछु
आमे प्रेमर फल्गुरे जीवा शिखिछु
आमे सागर बुकुरे नौका बाहिछु
आमे पहाड शिखरु आगुकु बढिछु
भविष्य आकाशे नीलिमाले पिछु आमे जीवन मरुरे चालिबा शिखिछु
आमे प्रेमर फल्गुरे जीवा शिखिछु आमे पहाडी झरणा
आ आ आ
आमे सञ्जगणा
आ आ आ
आमे पहाडी झरणा आमे सञ्जगणा
संकल्प पथरे आगकु बढिछु
आमे जीवन मरुरे चालिबा शिखिछु आमे प्रेमर फल्गुरे जीवा शिखिछु
जीवनर छन्दे आमे गाइछु गीत छोट नाही बड नाही सभिएमित जीवनर छन्दे आमे गाइछु गीत छोट नाही बड नाही सभिएमित
जीवन आमर एक प्रेम संगीत जीवन आमर एक प्रेम संगीत
प्रेम सङ्गीत आमे
जीवन मरुरे चालिबा सिकिछु आमे प्रेम र फल्गुरे जीवा सिकिछु आमे जीवन मरुरे चालिबा सिकिछु आमे प्रेम र फल्गुरे जीवा सिकिछु आमे आमे आमे
I would like to introduce Professor Dr. Satya Prakash Panda, the chairman of Gandhi Group of Institution. The difference between the dreamer and innovator is that a dreamer just dreams and an innovator creates his own path to realize ideas which other thinks as impossible. That streaks of originality is the distinct quality that makes Dr. Satya Prakash Panda, chairman Gandhi Group of Institution, as the brightest star of education horizon of Eastern India. An academician at heart, Dr. Panda has been passionately involved in bringing a qualitative transformation in imparting technical education in Odisha. Committed to his dream of setting up an institute per excellence, he envisioned the establishment of JIT Gunapur. His next venture was Geeta Bhuvaneshwar, where he not only introduced an interactive teaching environment but also ensured to inculcate the acumen for research among the students. He has been instrumental in ensuring that Geetans get the best facilities, be it in education, research and development or extracurricular activities. It's because of his able guidance and support that the number of colleges under the Gandhi Group have grown and blossomed in the last decade and are considered to be the best for pursuing a degree in engineering in Eastern India. A Gandhian edu entrepreneur, his experience and knowledge guides and inspires faculties and students alike to work hard and bring out the best in them. He has been a motivator and a guiding light of thousands of students who have been a part of Gandhi Group of Institution.
Now I would like to introduce Professor Dr. Chandradhwaj Panda, Secretary, Gandhi Group of Institutions. We live in a world that is driven intensely by knowledge, where literally and figuratively knowledge is power. Exercising this power with diligence and dynamism is a formidable task and requires a mindset that is a combination of wisdom and professionalism, which truly reflects in Dr. Chandradhwaj Panda, who is an iconic figure in the field of technical education in Eastern India. Dr. Panda has also been a pillar of strength in scripting the success story of the Gandhi Group of Institutions. His belief that one has to be a teacher to understand the intricacies involved in teaching students is what brings out the best in him. He has been instrumental in transforming the standard of education imparted to students at Geeta. Dr. Panda has always encouraged an atmosphere of research and development. His ideology that with importance to research and development, the institution can truly grow to greater heights is what he tries to imbibe into the very minds of the students and teachers alike. He has been instrumental in guiding teachers to participate in FDPs and present papers in seminars and at national and international level so that to improve their subject knowledge as well as earn accolades for the institutes. A leader par excellence, he believes in leading from the front and has been one of the most prominent faces behind the success of Geeta Bhuvaneshwar.
Now, let me introduce Mr. Biranchi Narayan Panda, the Honorable Vice Chairman. The fraternity of Geeta is guided by many Goliaths. A significant name to reckon among them is Mr. Biranchi Narayan Panda, a leading entrepreneur in the education sector and the man behind the success of Jupiter Plus 2 Science College, which boasts of international facilities for the holistic development of students. He also has a creative side to him. A renowned filmmaker, he is one of the few in the Odia film industry who have successfully presented original works of art on the magnum opus. A successful journalist, he spread hearts, Jokroto Odisha, a local news daily, and Krushak Bandhu, Annapurna, an award-winning agricultural magazine for farmers. His multitude of achievements inspire students to pursue things that they like and excel in them, along with maintaining a good grades, truly making Geeta an institution for the holistic development of students. Mr. Panda is a man of versatile persona, simplicity blended with passion for success, is his unique character, which acts as a beacon of hope for his followers. His humble association with fellow members has been a great asset for his large fan following. His execution of ideas to perfection has been the key to his success.
I would like to introduce Commander Dr. Pradeep Kumar Raithroy, Dean Administration of our college. A dynamic individual with commendable people skill, Commander Raithroy has assured discipline and maintained an atmosphere inside the campus which have been imperative for the academic performance of the students. In his tenure at Geeta, apart from ensuring discipline inside the campus, he has also been instrumental in developing the infrastructure of the college, and this has taken Geeta to newer heights. I would like to welcome Principal Sir to give the welcome speech.
Honorable Chairman, Dr. Satyaprakash Panda, Honorable Secretary, Dr. Chandradhwaj Panda, Honorable Vice Chairman, Mr. Biranchanaran Panda, Dean Admin, Commander Dr. P.K. Raithroy, Vice President Cultural Society, Dr. Kedar Mahapatra, other dignitaries of the dais, distinguished guests, all the deans, heads of department and sections, my faculty and staff members, media friends, security personnel, police personnel, and dear students. Good evening, everyone. It is with great pleasure I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of Akanksha 2017. First of all, I would like to thank the management for giving us the opportunity to organize this function in such a grand and festive manner. At the same time, I would like to thank the Vice President Cultural Society, Dr. Kedar Mahapatra and its team members, all the faculty members for their cooperation and support. I would like to thank also all the volunteers, especially the final year students, for taking the initiative for their tireless effort, without which it would not have been possible to conduct such a mega event. Now, we are deeply honored and privileged today to have with us our luminaries, our Honorable Chairman, Honorable Secretary, and Honorable Vice Chairman with us. They are the source of inspiration, our guide, our strength. They are the architect behind all the success and development of this institution. So they will enlighten all of us with their motivational and inspiring words. Dear students, I should not take more time, just I shall conclude my speech within 1 minute. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, a man is but the product of his own thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. So the way you think can affect your life profoundly, either positive or negative. If you think positive, you can achieve your goal. If you think negative, you cannot achieve your goal. So in order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. But remember one thing, a dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. I believe that all of you have the potential to achieve your goal. Start believing in yourself and start on working or keep on working on your goal. No matter what challenges you may face, and I'm very sure very soon you can turn all your dreams into reality. With this, before I conclude, I wish all of you the very best and wish this function a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Satyaprakash Panda, sir, to enlighten us. Sir, please.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I know you don't have patience to hear, and I also don't like to come in the way, but I'll definitely express my heartiest good wishes for the grand, success of the function. You are organizing once in a year. I have seen your exhibition, science exhibition, and I'm really pleased that a lot of good things have been done there. And similarly, I expect that the best that you have on the cultural side, you're going to exhibit it. We'll be waiting to see it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Secretary, Dr. Chandradhwaj Panda, sir, to please say some motivational words.
Honorable Chairman, beloved Vice Chairman, respected Principal, Dr. Commander Rautrai, Dean Administration, dignitaries of the dais, members from electronics and print media, my professors, teachers, and dear student friends. Really, I am delighted when I heard the opening song. The moral of the song is, we have to love, if at all we have to survive in the society. Love not seeing the face, but love in your heart. That is most important to have a successful life in the society. And dear friends, since it is Akanksha 2017, you must have the urge to know things, to learn things, to innovate things. We have seen the stalls wherein I thought that really it is a platform where you can expose your hidden talents. So I am very much thankful to my students, not only exhibiting your inner talents or hidden talents, but at the same time, my students are more disciplined. For that I am very much thankful. See that the library building is properly utilized by you. That is the storehouse of knowledge, the Gyan Mandir. So my sincere request would be, or my message would be, visit the library regularly and you'll enjoy. Because the anchors have told that knowledge is power. So I am very much thankful. All the best.
Been selected to be awarded today. So I would request our Honorable Chairman, sir, to give them the award. The first is Srishti Jha from CSE branch 4th year. Sri Priya Chaudhary, ECE branch 4th year. Vivek Pandey, 4th year electrical engineering branch. Sir, ma'am, this is Vivek. Sobha Kumari, Triple E branch 4th year. Saurabh Kumar, mechanical engineering branch 4th year. Pragya Parmitas, civil engineering branch 4th year. Shruti Das, 3rd year CSE branch. Riddhi Pratik, ECE branch 3rd year. Rahul Kumar, double E branch 3rd year. Vishal Kumar, mechanical engineering branch 3rd year. Nirupma Bal, Neetu Kumari Bharti, ECE branch 2nd year. Abhijit Das, Triple E branch 2nd year. Mohammad Nawed Alam, mechanical engineering branch 2nd year. Rishabh Kesari, civil engineering branch 2nd year. Saurabh Kumar Jha, ECE branch 1st year. आसिफ सरवार ट्रिपल ई ब्रांच फर्स्ट ईयर। सयान बिस्वास इसी ब्रांच फर्स्ट ईयर। स्वीटी कुमारी CSE ब्रांच फर्स्ट ईयर। आलोकेश